This is how you start a big bluegill party. Now watch to the end, they're really going to get rocking here. Only the big bluegills are invited to this party, those over a pound. These are big shell crackers on a windy day when most people wouldn't even think the fish should be biting. They're active. Let's toss them another handful. Wouldn't you love to toss a baited hook in there? Probably get a pretty quick hookup. Just come on over to my channel and you can see me catching fish after fish after fish on an ultralight rod. Come on over, it's a lot of fun.